Hello, Paul here from EMD. This is this is the actual Porsche Cayenne I was working on last week, I think early this week, and I actually had to repair this OBD port. Now as you can see, everything's been repaired back onto the actual wiring harness. But the hardest thing on this job here, like each wire, there's three colors wire. It's brown white, so brown white is pin 2 and brown white is pin 3 and brown white is pin 7. Alright, and you got two brown wire which is 2 and 3, one black wire which is pin 1, and pin 16 is actually a red yellow, which is your battery voltage. Pin 1 is the ignition power 12 volts. Pin 14 is your gateway, CAN low, which is orange brown, and pin 6 is CAN high, which is orange black. Alright, so all of those pins I had to find out where they go to on the wiring diagram, and I had to actually because the color are the same, so you got to make sure that the actual connect the right one to the actual correct one. So otherwise you'll hook up the wrong color wire to the actual diagnostic port and nothing will work. As you can see now, I'll go power now. There you go, that light's on. And then now I've got actually, if you go back here, I can find the actual, I've got DME now, so I've got the actual DME, I've got airbag, so everything I can find on this actually sorry, all the ECU now I can find, and now I can actually do a full erase. I can erase all the faults on this one here. And while that's running, I'm gonna go in here and I'll show you what I found so far as well. Some of the wires here, look at that. Something is eating this wiring harness in the car. So that's why I had to fix a lot of wiring harness. One at the back as well was fixed. One on the side was fixed as well, and now I found this. And then the OBD wasn't working. So it wasn't like a quick fix, it was because nothing was working at all when the car came in, and was shorted as well for the actual on the other relay because some of the wire was touching each other. So it was a really, and we couldn't even erase the service light. We couldn't erase the service light as well on this car here, as you can see. And the reason why we couldn't erase the service light was none of this wire was actually connected. It's all broken and chopped off. I'm not sure. It looks like something was eating the wire, like a little mouse or something like that. But I'm trying, so if you can see now, it's actually erasing all the fault from before. So okay, as you can see now, I've got some faults here, there, park assist faults as well. Need to fix the park assist fault because it's always in red, the display. But as you see, the DME, gearbox, airbag, everything is picked up now. So now we can actually try to reset the lights. So now we're going to reset service lights. So now I can go into level control. So now I've got no fault, but now I can actually go and do all the other work I needed to do. So you go to special function, height calibration, feel and bleed. So I can do the height calibration, and now I'm going to carry that out and then go from there. Okay, so I'm going to measure the actual height of the car and the front and the rear, and input that into the actual tool, and then that will do the calibration. So finally I can get to this. Before I couldn't do anything because of so many wiring harness was chopped or eaten away by a little mouse somewhere, and front, rear, middle, everywhere. And then now I found this one here, so now that's sorted out now, all fixed. But to get to this, to get to here, was a nightmare. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll finish the calibration and I'll do another video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.